Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Gather ingredients and set up your workspace before you start cooking. Use 1 lb ground beef, 1/2 cup diced onion, 1 Oz can tomato sauce, and 2 tablespoon chili powder to make a simple, quick chili. Measure 2 cups shredded cheddar, 1 Oz bag Fritos, and 1/2 cup sour cream for topping so assembly is fast. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and use a 9x 13-inch baking dish for even heating. Start by heating a large skillet over medium-high heat and brown the beef 8 to 10 minutes until no pink remains, then drain excess fat. Add 1 Oz can tomato sauce, 1 cup water, and 2 tablespoon chili powder. Stir and simmer the chili 15 minutes to thicken and concentrate flavors. For assembly, layer half the Fritos in the 9x 13-inch dish, spread half the chili, sprinkle 1 cup cheddar. Then repeat the layers, and finish with the remaining 1 cup cheddar for a golden top. Place the assembled dish in the preheated oven and bake at 375 degrees F for 10 to 12 minutes, until the cheese bubbles and edges brown. Watch closely after 10 minutes to avoid burning the chips. Remove and let the dish rest 5 minutes so melted cheese sets slightly and scooping is easier. Then top with 1/2 cup sour cream, sliced jalapenos, and chopped cilantro to serve. Store leftovers covered in the fridge up to 3 days and reheat at 350 degrees F for 10 minutes for best texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.